If meat pies are your comfort food, a recall notice is a reason to slow down. The Canadian Food Inspection Agency says it conducts about 3,000 food safety investigations each year, according to its 2024 investigation record. In 2025, the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Food Safety and Inspection Service recalled about 127 pounds of ready-to-eat meat pies that entered the United States without required import reinspection. Today, we are examining 10 meat pie brands connected to official Canadian or American food safety actions. If you value calm, sourced consumer information like this video, subscribe to Disclose Daily, and let's begin. 1. The Pie Commission. In March 2024, the Canadian Food Inspection Agency recalled the Pie Commission braised beef rib pot pie because it contained anchovy that was not declared on the label. CFIA classified the action as Class 1, its highest recall category, meaning the agency considered the affected food capable of creating a serious health risk. The issue is the undeclared allergen. In 2023, the FDA recognized 9 major food allergens in the United States, including fish, after sesame became the 9th. So while the Pie Commission built its position through a familiar beef pie label, this product quietly raises a question the reassuring claim of clear labeling is designed to prevent. 2. Beretta chicken pot pie. In September 2025, CFIA reported a recall involving Beretta chicken pot pie because egg was not declared on the label. CFIA's notice reported 1 reaction associated with the product. The FDA's 2023 guidance listed 9 major allergens, including egg, and explained that applicable packaged foods containing them must identify the allergen source. This was a labeling failure, not proof that every Beretta product is unsafe. So while Beretta built its position through a recognizable chicken pie product, this product quietly raises a question the reassuring claim of transparent allergen labeling is designed to prevent. 3. The pasty oven. In February 2025, USDA FSIS issued a public health alert for the pasty oven's frozen, fully cooked meat and poultry pasties. The products had been made using an egg wash, but the egg was not declared on the label. FSIS said the products were produced on or before December 11, 2024, and had a 1-year shelf life. Importantly, FSIS said a recall was not requested because the affected products were no longer available for purchase. The documented problem was undeclared egg in specific pasties, not proof that every product from the company was defective. So while the pasty oven built its position through ready-to-eat pasties, this product quietly raises a question the reassuring claim of accurate allergen disclosure is designed to prevent. 4. 4 in 20. In May 2025, USDA FSIS announced that Fijian import and export company recalled approximately 127 pounds of 4N20 Traveler Philly cheesesteak pastry. The reason was not a finding that the filling was contaminated. FSIS said the ready-to-eat meat pies had been imported from Australia without being presented for required U.S. import reinspection. The affected package was a 5.6-ounce pastry with a use-by date of August 20th, 2025, and Australia Establishment Number 265. So while 4N20 built its position through an internationally distributed meat pastry, this product quietly raises a question the reassuring claim of completed regulatory inspection is designed to prevent. 5. Montana's Salisbury meat pot pie. In November 2020, CFIA reported a recall notification for Montana's Salisbury meat pot pie because of mold. CFIA classified the action as Class 3 and described the issue as microbiological, non-harmful quality, or spoilage. CFIA says Class 3 represents a low risk of undesirable health effects and can include food that does not pose a health risk but does not comply with legislation. So while Montana's built its position through a Salisbury meat pie, this product quietly raises a question the reassuring claim of quality control is designed to prevent. 6. Chef Corey's chicken pot pie. In March 2024, CFIA reported a recall notification for Chef Corey's chicken pot pie because milk was not properly declared on the label. CFIA classified the recall as Class 2. The documented problem was labeling. The FDA explained in 2023 that milk is one of the 9 major food allergens that must be identified on applicable U.S. packaged food labels. So while Chef Corey's built its position through a chicken pot pie, this product quietly raises a question the reassuring claim of proper allergen disclosure is designed to prevent. 7. Bake My Day chicken pot pie. In November 2020, CFIA recalled Bake My Day chicken pot pie because it contained egg that was not declared on the label. The recall covered all codes where egg was missing from the label and was distributed through retail channels in British Columbia. CFIA said the 2020 recall was triggered by a consumer complaint. The FDA's 2023 guidance identified egg as one of 9 major food allergens. So while Bake My Day built its position through a gluten-free chicken pot pie, this product quietly raises a question the reassuring claim of dependable allergen labeling is designed to prevent. 8. Produits alimentaires, Bouchard. In October 2023, CFIA reported a recall involving Produits alimentaires, Bouchard, Lac Saint-Jean Tourtière because sulfites were not declared. The key point is that this was a specific lot and labeling issue, not evidence that every tourtière from the brand has the same problem. So while Produits alimentaires Bouchard built its position through a traditional Lac Saint-Jean Tourtière, this product quietly raises a question the reassuring claim of complete ingredient disclosure is designed to prevent. 9. Tartistes Tourtière. In November 2024, CFIA reported that Tartistes baked goods were recalled because pieces of metal could be present. Among the affected products was the brand's 4.25-inch tourtière, lot 24313-004, with a best before date of May 7, 2025. CFIA classified the action as Class 2. CFIA said the recall was linked to Sifto high-grade salt, which had itself been recalled because of metal. Its 2024 investigation said the salt had been used by multiple manufacturers, creating secondary recalls. So while Tartistes built its position through baked pies and tourtière, this product quietly raises a question. The reassuring claim of controlled ingredient sourcing is designed to prevent. 10. Pearls meat products. In September 2004, CFIA issued an allergy alert for Pearls meat products after finding undeclared wheat and egg in several meat products. The products were distributed in Ontario, and the agency said all best before dates were affected. CFIA reported no illnesses, but warned of serious or life-threatening reactions for people allergic to wheat or eggs. This is a historical record, not evidence of a current product problem. So while Pearls built its position through multiple meat pie varieties, this product quietly raises a question. The reassuring claim of consistent allergen control is designed to prevent. Safer pick. Number 1. Stouffer's White Meat Chicken Pot Pie. Stouffer's White Meat Chicken Pot Pie offers a measurable safety check. USDA-FSIS says in 2024 that poultry and combination dishes should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit on a food thermometer. The FDA said in 2023 that U.S. packaged foods must identify 9 major food allergens. Safer pick. Number 2, Banquet Chicken Pot Pie. Banquet. Chicken pot pie provides a measurable cooking target. USDA-FSIS guidance in 2024 specifies 165 degrees Fahrenheit for poultry and combination dishes. The useful point is not that this makes a product flawless, it gives the consumer a measurable safety step. Safer pick. Number 3, Marie Callender's Chicken Pot Pie. Marie Callender's Chicken Pot Pie gives consumers another measurable control. USDA-FSIS guidance in 2024 sets 165 degrees Fahrenheit for poultry and combination dishes. FDA guidance in 2023 says 9 major allergens must be identified on applicable U.S. packaged foods. If this investigation helped you shop more carefully, like the video, share it with someone who checks the freezer aisle for the family, and subscribe to Disclose Daily for more calm, sourced consumer investigations.